welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are so excited to be going over the products from our summer 2024 release. We had so much fun during this May Inspiration Week, and we have been featuring a lot of our new summer product. Well, this release includes even more summer product, and we are so excited about them. We are going to be featuring those products in our June and July Inspiration Weeks, and we're going to be giving you a peek at those products today. Now, the awesome thing is that all of these summer 2024 products are available on May 16th. So all of these products that we are featuring in May, June, and July are available on May 16th. So we thought today it would be fun to give you a peek at the rest of the summer 2024 products while we wait for the June and July Inspiration Weeks to start. First, we're going to take a look at all of the product we have featured in May, and then we're going to take a look at the rest of the summer 2024 release. First up, we have our Treat Cart stamp set and our Treat Cart sentiment add-on. This set is so cute, and it helps you make the most adorable ice cream themed cards. These cards make me smile so much, and they are perfect for summer, and I love that there's a sentiment stamp set to give you even more fun and punny ways to send adorable cards. Next up, we have Critters in the Desert and the Desert Canyon backdrop. This stamp set is so sweet. I love all those cute critters, and the backdrop makes the most gorgeous scenes. Oh my goodness. I mean, look at these cards. They're so beautiful. The desert critters are so adorable and so unique, and sure to make anyone you make a card for smile. This is Whoosh Kites, and this set is so sweet. Our little mice are at it again, and now they are flying kites, and the cards with this stamp set turn out so sweet. You can paper piece the kites, or you can color them in, and that little mouse sitting on top of the other mouse's shoulders, I just can't with how sweet it is. This is our Build-A-Drink root beer add-on, and this die set makes for the cutest cards. You can create really adorable root beer floats, or you can even create the look of a beer stein too. I love that you can mix and match these with the other Build-A-Drink elements, and these die-cut cards turn out so fun. Speaking of Build-A-Drink, we have an add-on to our Build-A-Drink mason jar add-on. This is our lantern add-on, and it turns this adorable mason jar into a little lantern either filled with fireflies or filled with these super cute little fairy lights. I love it so much, and it just makes me smile. This is our Ta-Da Diorama Shop add-on, and it turns one of my favorite interactive dies, the Ta-Da Diorama, into the cutest little shop. I mean, oh my goodness, look at this. As you open it up, you can see we've created the most adorable little ice cream shop. You could create any shop in your imagination, a sewing shop, a craft shop, an ice cream shop, anything that you can think of. We have a new add-on to How You Bean, and it's the How You Bean money add-on and also a money pocket die. You guys had requested for a stamp set to make giving cash as a gift cute, and so that's what we've done here with these adorable little dollars and cents. It's really fun to combine with your favorite critters, and this money pocket can hold a gift card or it can hold cash, so it makes it super versatile. The other really cute thing about the money pocket die is you can put other things in it, like gorgeous die cut flowers or cute little critters that you've stamped out. So I love that it's a die that can work for so many different types of cards. This is our Build a Gumball machine, and this gumball machine is so cute. It helps you build either a shaker gumball machine or just a flat gumball machine too, depending on what you are looking for in your card. And so classic and so cute. This is our All the Smiles stamp set, and as it says, it has all the smiles. You can add the smiles to the images included in the set, or the smiles are perfect for adding to your favorite die cut and stamped images. Next up, we have our Give It a Whirl messages friends, and I love these messages so much because they're great on their own. You can see here how you can just stamp them directly in your card. They perfectly fit a 3-inch circle, so they're super cute like this, and they were designed to fit on the Give It a Whirl, which is so amazing to have a big sentiment on the front and a cute scene on the inside. The messages also fit on the inside of the Give It a Whirl too, which is so great. This is our year 14 stamp set, and these little grapes are so cute and adorable, and they're perfect for adding little smiley faces from all the smiles too as well. This is our little dragon flip-flop. Flip-flops are mirror images of some favorite sets, and this little dragon is so cute, and I love how the cards turn out with him. This is You're So Gnarly, and this little narwhal makes me smile so much. He even has a little cake that you can add to create birthday cards with him. And then this is You're a Keeper, and this little beekeeper bear is so adorable. I love it so much, and he's a really fun match for our other bee theme products. Next, we have some big and bold sentiments with our giant outlined thanks, gracias, and merci. These are so fun because they have the outline and then the base so that you can add pops of color behind the letters. These are so much fun to mix and match with your favorite stamp sets and your favorite dies. We also have some really great border scene builders. We have our cactus border and our cactus hillside border. And I love combining these with our brand new Critters in the Desert stamp set. These little cactus are just so cute and sweet. Paper piecing style dies are so much fun, and we have our brand new Froyo Friend and Mr. Sun. These are so awesome as either a main bold element in your card or also as a scene builder too. I love the little arms and legs that you can have on them or not, and these guys just make me smile. This Stitch Sentiment Banners die set is going to be a set I think I use on almost every card now. It has these great Stitch style banners that fit so many of the sentiments in our stamp sets. And you can see just how cute they are, cut out of vellum, the larger size, the smaller size, the medium size. There's so many cute and fun ways to add these, and the stitch detail just adds such a beautiful touch onto cards. We have 3 new border dies that are becoming my favorites very quickly. We have our scalloped fringe border die, our scalloped arches, and our diagonal stripes border. And these are so much fun. That scalloped fringe is just amazing. These awesome arches, oh my goodness. And then that little diagonal stripe reminds me of a little ribbon. I think these are so much fun for adding fun, bold elements onto cards. We have another add-on to the Ta-Da diorama. We have our sunburst window add-on, and it creates the cutest little sunburst window. There's even a little rainbow included inside and a cloud, and I love adding the Critters in the Desert into these. They look so gorgeous. Next up, we have a brand new die, which is our embroidery hoop window add-on. It takes your embroidery hoop designs and integrates them into your card without the hoop element. I think that is so cool and such a fun way to use all of these amazing stitching patterns that we have. I just love creating tiny gift box critters, and we've added 2 new critters to the family. We have our tiny gift box lizard and snake add-on, and these little guys are so cute. That little lizard just makes me smile, and the little snake is so much fun, and these are just a great new addition to our tiny gift box critter family. We have a really awesome quilted star backdrop die. I love how the little stars are openings in the backdrop so that you can have pops of color peek out, and that quilted detail is so gorgeous. Next up, we also have our Itsy Bitsy Polka Dot Background Hot Foil Plate, and it creates the teeniest, tiniest little polka dots with that gorgeous hot foil on them. You can do them in rainbow hot foil, gold, silver, anything in your imagination. We also have 2 new stencils. We have our draped ribbon stencil and our bunting background stencils. The draped ribbon is absolutely stunning. It looks amazing on cards. And then these banners are so adorable. You can add them into scenes or use them as a way to highlight your favorite sentiments like we did here. We have 4 new washi tape designs. We have our Scripty Sayings Shimmer washi tape. We have our Pool Party washi tape, which is my personal favorite. We have our Sweet Treats washi tape, and also our birthday balloons washi tape. And these designs are so amazing. The Scripty Sayings has a very subtle shimmer and some texture, and the other designs are so bold and bright and adorable. These are great for decorating cards, packages, or your envelopes. We also have some new lawn trimmings twine, and this lawn trimmings twine comes in the most gorgeous and happy colors. We have a red, a coral, we have a yellow, a lime green, a turquoise, a denim blue, and a lavender. This is thinner twine than our other twine, and it's made out of hemp, which makes it really sturdy, which makes it really easy to create the cutest little bows. And these bold colors are so perfect for adding to cards, adding to any gift boxes you might make, or even making them the star of the show. And you can see just how beautiful, bright, and happy these colors are. Next up, we have our Pint Size Patterns Summertime Collection. We have these papers in both a 12 by 12 size and a 6 by 6 size, and they have tiny little patterns that are so adorable and sweet. We have cute tiny little stars, suns, daisies, diagonal stripes, hearts. We have a cute little grid. I mean, these are so much fun to mix and match together. The colors are perfect for summer, and the tiny little patterns make it almost like a colorful cardstock with a little extra oomph. These are so adorable. They are so much fun to mix and match, and they make all of your cards so happy and cute. We also have a fun colorful stripe and colorful polka dot that are great for mixing and matching with the more solid colors. And then of course, in our 6x6 pad, we have the patterns reduced by about 50% so that you can have different scales in all of your favorite patterns depending on the different project that you're working on. And that is a look at the product in our summer 2024 release. We had so much fun creating during the May Inspiration Week, and you definitely need to check out the intro videos from this week featuring many of the cards here. And we cannot wait to share even more card inspiration throughout these next few months, including during our June and July Inspiration Weeks, which will also have more intro videos too. And we are so excited that all of the summer 2024 product will be available on May 16th. I also just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for your wonderful comments, for watching our videos, and for just being absolutely amazing. We appreciate you guys so much, and we cannot wait to see what you create with these brand new products because, oh my goodness, that is the best part. The best part is seeing your incredible and amazing creations, so make sure to share them with us. We are so grateful for you, and you guys are so amazing, and thank you so very, very much for watching today. You guys really are the sweetest, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!